The next condition for accepting the deposit is secured and unsecured deposit. Means what? A company can accept the deposit in the form of a secured or in the form of a unsecured. It means a secured deposit or unsecured deposit. As we are knowing that secured, it means the company has to give something in something guarantee to the depositors that they will pay the money within on time also, right? And unsecured, it means no guarantee, no charge is created. So when the company is accepting the deposit, the company should mention clearly in the circular or in the advertisement whether they are in accepting the deposit is secured deposit or unsecured deposit. Suppose if the company is accepting a secure deposit, that the company has to create a charge on its tangible asset within a 30 days of accepting of a deposit. It means within a 30 days of accepting the company deposit, the company has to create a charge. It means what the company has to give is right that if suppose this company is unable to pay off the deposit amount, the company will sell off this asset which is given in return, that we will sold this asset at whatever is the money is accepted in the form of a deposit, it will be repaid. Now next criteria is regarding the application form. Means what? To accept the deposits from the directives, from the members, from the public, the company has to provide the application form. It should be declared it should be declared contains declaration from the applicant that the deposit he is making is not made out of any money borrowed by him from another person. It means what? Suppose ABC Limited company accepting the deposits from the public, right? And Mr. A is giving the deposit to the company in the form of a public deposit, but whatever money is the Mr. A is offering to the company for public deposit, this money is not borrowed from the Mr. A from someone else. It means the applicant should given in the writing application should given the declaration that whatever money he is giving as a deposit is not borrowed by him from the another person. Then joint names. Company can accept the deposit in the joint name of the depositor, but it should not be more than 3 names. It means how we are opening an account in the bank, like a joint bank account, husband wife name, mother son name, father son name, right? This that type the person can that type company can accept the deposit with the joint name of the depositor, but the name criteria is limited to the 3 name only. Then nomination. Every depositor at any time has the right to nominate any person nominee in the event of that of the depositor. It means what? Like when we are opening the bank account with the bank, that time we are giving the nominee for the bank account. It means what? Something is happened with that account holder, like death or something, the money which is in the bank account which will be given to that nominee person. So same way here, the every depositor at any time has the right to declare the nominee or to nominate any person for the event of death of the depositor. Then circular or advertisement. If a company invite the deposit from its member, it issues a circular. But if it is invites deposits from the public, company has to issue an advertisement in the leading newspaper, right? It means what? Suppose if it is accept company accepting the deposit from the members, then the company has to issue the circular. But if the company is accepting the deposit from the company, then the company has to issue an advertisement, and in that advertisement what are the information should be given? The first of all, statement about the financial position of the company, whether the company is in very good financial position, unsound position, or which financial position company stand. Then portion of the secure and unsecured deposit of the fresh issue, whatever is the issue of the deposit is declared by the company is how much is secured, how much is unsecured. The detail must be given by the company. Credit rating obtained by the CRA. It means what? It is a credit rating agency which has declared the what is the condition of the company, whether the company is situation to pay off the deposit money on time, to repay the deposit money to the public on time. It is only for the eligible public company. Then details of the scheme: name of the deposit trustee, amount due towards the deposit of any previous deposit accepting by the company. Right? All this in content must be there in the circular or in the advertisement. Right? Then next is filing of a circular or advertisement with the register of the company. The company has to file this advertisement circular with the register of a company, and the company has to file a copy which must be signed by all directors with the ROC, register of company. Then the company can issue this circular or advertisement only after 30 days of filing a copy with the ROC, register of company. Right? The company can issue this circular or advertisement only after 30 days of filing this copy or circular with the register of company. And company can send this circular to members to the register post, speed post, or from the email. And suppose if the company want to invite the public, company can publish this advertisement in the one of the leading English newspaper and one of the vernacular newspaper having wide circulation in the state where the company's register office is located. Remember, company's register office located in only that state. And next important criteria is what is the validity of this advertisement. This circular or the advertisement is valid only for 6 months from the end of the financial year in which it was issued or the date on which the annual general meeting was held, whichever is earlier. Only up to this date the advertisement is valid. Now next criteria is condition regarding the deposit trustee. Right? When the company issuing the security deposit, the eligible company and the public company have to appoint the deposit trustee. Now this deposit trustee take care the interest of depositor. That suppose if the company is defaulter, company is in a situation not to repay the amount of depositors, in that time this deposit trustee take care of the depositors. The company has to sign a contract with the depositors trustees called as trust deed. This trust deed contains terms and conditions of the contract, and this deed has to be signed at least 7 days before issuing the circular or advertisement. Remember, 7 days before issuing the circular and advertisement. This deposit trustee on its own or on the request of both 10th of the depositors can call meeting of all depositors when a company defaults for repaying the depositor. This deposit trustee has only who can call the meetings of all depositors if in a company not in a position to pay the deposit of the depositors. Now next criteria is regarding the create charge on assets. As we are knowing, the company can accept the deposit in the form of a secured deposit or unsecured deposit. But suppose if the company want to accept the secured deposit, the company has to create a charge on its tangible assets for an amount not less than the amount of deposit accepted. It means what? Suppose if a company is accepting the deposit of rupees 10 lakh, then the company has to given in the writing that suppose if company is not in a position to pay off this 10 lakhs, companies this property, companies this tangible assets will sold out and the money will be recovered from these assets and the repayment of the depositors will made. Right? The minimum amount of security should be the equal to the amount not covered by the deposit insurance. Is security is created in favor of whom? deposit trustee. Now, next condition regarding the deposit insurance. A company needs to take the deposit insurance at least 30 days before the issue of circular advertisement. If it means before the 30 days of issuing the advertisement or circular, the company has to take the deposit insurance. And if the amount of deposit plus interest on its up to rupees 20,000, insurance is to be taken. Means deposit plus the interest is payable on this deposit to the deposit holders is more than 20,000, then the company has to take the deposit insurance. The next term is obtain credit rating. Credit rating, it means what? A credit rating agencies are the agencies which are giving the credit to the ranking to the companies depending upon their financial position regarding the credit position of the company. It means what? Suppose company is not in a position sound financial position to pay off the to repay the loans, to repay the money of taken in the form of a loan, then the credit ranking agency is given the rank on their credit facility. Every company has to create a credit rating of its deposits and including the ratings in the circular or advertisement. The credit rating agency consider the net worth of company. While giving the credit rating, the credit rating agency consider which are the points: net worth of the company, liquidity position, ability to repay the deposit on time, and accordingly to this, the company gives CRA gives the rating to the company, and this rating shall be obtained every year during the tenure of deposits.